Welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out the F6 Bladeless, that's right, Bladeless fan. So, portable fan I should also add. Little manual on the top here. Protected in foam. Power cable at the bottom there. Oh yeah, I love stuff when it's small and compact, but it's got to perform, so we will test this out for you. Alright guys, this is wireless, so you use this to charge. It is a Type-C, which is updated to a USB power supply, so that makes it great. You could use it with a solar power bank and take it camping or anywhere you want to go, but we need to see if it's strong enough to make it worth it. So it pulls in air on both sides, the left and the right. Power port under here for charging. Very nice, sleek design. I like it. The air comes from here. The question is it good? Tap the power button right here. So there is a fan in here that, is there two fans? There's either one or two fans in here. And this is really nice. It's so lightweight too. So that's what it sounds like on low. It's definitely blowing air. Actually a lot of air for being on low. I don't know if it's gonna show on low. You guys probably can't even see that it's... Here we go. So if you guys can see that it's blowing out, that's on low. That's blowing straight out. Probably hold the camera up here. So it would fall down. Now let's do medium. That is incredible. Again, just to show you, you know, it's not falling down. Now, I guess there's a high. That is incredible. That is a lot of air. This is really awesome. I mean, I really like this a lot. I mean, I can feel the full brunt way over here. That's impressive. For this small little thing, very impressive. Guys, I really like this a lot. Definitely a 4-star, maybe a 5. We'll see after time goes on, but I love it. It's portable. This is perfect for our office when it's full blast summertime. Save money. Instead of having the AC on, we just turn this fan on, set it on high. That's nice. I like it, guys.